trying to do a film on your own time, or for a class assignment, or even trying to improve your Zoom experience, this is the answer to all your problems. Circle around here contains LED lights that shine much brighter than you think. Oh my god, that's too bright. It also comes with a state-of-the-art microphone to make your audio much better in terms of quality. Also mentioned, this also comes with a tripod. That's right. In terms of sturdiness and height, your recording quality is gonna raise above the ranks. I know what you all are thinking. Why not give it a demonstration? I thought you'd never ask. This is a recording of a regular phone without LED lights. As you can see, not so bad, except when you turn these lights on, that problem will go away. As you can see, no more shadow, more better quality. Two things in one. I consider that as an absolute win. This is recording with the lights on, but the audio is not connected. In other words, the mic is not connected to the phone. And this is a recording with the LED lights and the mic plugged into your phone. Now, as you can see, the mic is making my words a little bit more crystal clear. You can understand me a little better. This is going to make your projects, your films, whatever you need to do, much easier to make. This is also very helpful for Zoom classes. Make sure that they can see you more clearly. This is definitely recommended. As a CS-USB theater major student, this product has given me more insight of what possibilities this can give to many people. This will help so many people because I know this product has helped me. And I want to thank those who gave me this opportunity.